Hello, today we will learn how to find the trajectory of a projectile motion in the easiest possible way. So, this is our projectile motion. Here we are finding something from the velocity u making an angle theta with the ground. This is our ground. Okay, so first we convert everything into vector, then the analysis will be easy. Suppose this is our y-axis, and this is our x-axis. Axis. The projectile is fired with the velocity u, making an angle theta with the ground from 0, comma 0. This is your 0, 0. Okay, so now first you will write velocity vector and acceleration vector. So here your velocity vector u is equal to u cos theta I cap plus u sin theta j cap. That is your velocity vector. Now here, if we see acceleration is downward direction. So acceleration vector A is equal to minus g j cap. Why minus? Because it is in negative y direction. Okay. So now we have our basic equation. Then we can calculate like anything. Now you know about the second equation of motion. It states that S is equal to ut plus half a t square. If we write everything in vector, so it is S is equal to u vector t in plus 1 by 2 into a vector into t square. Now here, since we are starting from origin, so our position vector is same as the velocity vector. So here our position vector S is equal to x I cap plus y j cap. So x and y are the coordinates of any random point of the projectile, entire trajectory. Okay. So now this is equal to what? This is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 into at square. Now here that means it is equal to what? U cos theta I cap plus u sin theta j cap into t plus 1 by 2 into minus g j cap into t square. Now here this thing is equal to how much? Like u cos theta t into I cap plus u sin theta t plus minus g t square by 2 whole j cap. This one is our x I cap plus y j cap. Now we'll compare the variables. So x variable is equal to u cos theta t. That means t is equal to x upon u cos theta, and y is equal to u sin theta into t, okay, minus gt square by 2, which turns out to be it is equal to u sin theta into x upon u cos theta minus g by 2 into x square upon u square cos square theta. So y is equal to, here u and u got cancelled, so it is equal to x tan theta plus g upon 2u square minus, sorry, okay, into cos square theta into x square. So this is your equation of projectile motion. Thank you.